Hello, I'm going to introduce you to RateSmart. This is our AI-powered Rate My Professor's review system. First, we have a feature section, which starts with the dashboard analytics, where you can see graphs for the sentiment evolution and sentiment distribution of a specific professor over your chosen period of time. Below it, you will have the review section, where you can see more details about the reviews of this professor. You can also add your professor of interest via the URL of the Rate My Professor website. And then you can ask more specific questions about the teaching styles and other related things in your AI chatbot. Here we have a review section and lastly the theme section. I have already signed in and we are using Clerk for the user management and authentication. So now we'll proceed with the chat page. Here we have the AI chatbot, which was done using OpenAI API. And for the Scrape Professor review section, we use Curious API as well as Pinecone to save all the reviews. For this demo, I will be using Professor Anna Curtis link for the web scrapping. Here we receive notification that the scraping is currently in process, and after that we will receive a success message. Now that we received the success message, we can ask more specific questions about this professor. Our chatbot will let us know that it's currently thinking, and after that it will give us some of the reviews of this professor as well as a summary of the reviews. If we go to the dashboard page, we can see the graphs that are analyzing the sentiment of the reviews that we have extracted from the website. Here we can select Professor Anna Curtis, and we will receive all of the reviews listed below, and we will have the sentiment evolution graph and the sentiment distribution. In this example, the predominant sentiment is neutral. We can also change the time that we are analyzing the reviews over to last year or the last 10 years. As another example, we can look at Professor Howard Brown, for which the reviews of all the time are positive. And lastly, another example, Professor Lynn Howard, for which the reviews are commonly negative. Now I will sign out and I will be redirected to the landing page and I will no longer have access to the chat or dashboard page. Thank you so much for listening about RateSmart.